A debit card is simply a plastic key to your bank account. When you use it, you are spending money you already have, not money you have borrowed. That is the single most important thing to understand about it. Here is how it works. You tap, insert, or swipe your card at a terminal. In seconds, your bank verifies your balance, approves the transaction, and the money is transferred directly from your account to the merchant. It is instant. It is real money. Your balance drops immediately. Every debit card carries a few key features. The 16-digit number identifies your card globally. The chip and magnetic stripe store your account data securely. The expiry date and the 3-digit CVV on the back act as layers of verification. The contactless symbol means you can pay with a simple tap. No PIN required for small transactions. Now here is the financial lesson inside this tool. A debit card is discipline made plastic. You cannot spend what you do not have. There is no credit limit, no debt, no interest charges. If your account has £200, you can spend £200 and not a penny more. That is a powerful financial boundary, especially when you are young and building your money habits. Compare that to a credit card. A credit card is borrowed money. Use it carelessly and you are paying interest, sometimes 20%, 30%, even higher. A debit card carries none of that risk. However, a debit card is not perfect. It offers less fraud protection than a credit card in most countries, and it does nothing to build your credit score. But as a foundational tool for budgeting and spending only what you earn, it is exactly where your financial journey should begin. Control your spending before you control your credit. Master the debit card first. Like and subscribe for more videos. Compound interest, the eighth wonder of the world.